reverse. And all I did was FaceTime them, and they could hear the thunder and see the lightning behind my head.
Yeah.
Yeah, they want
Then they wanted to come over.
God, they can come over here if they want. That's one time I might invite them.
So, what's up, YouTube?
we got that one. We got
Yeah,
that one.
what's up, YouTube? So right now there's a lightning storm here.
That one came right across that deep.
As you're seeing, it's really bright lightning. That's
It came right from us from like
yo, whoever's starting to drive, that's a bad idea.
down on an angle as if it struck down by the zero hole.
So right now I'm showing you my the yard.
It was just a jag right down to the ground.
And as you see, it's really bright lightning.
I don't know whether my nerves will take this or not.
It's actually quite amazing and scary.
Yeah, but you're also used to, if we get one this bad, me coming over with the kids.
Well, it's not only that. What worries me is I'm on the top floor of a really high building, you know? That's what's worrying me. I'm constantly lightning rods on here.
Ow, my eyes. As you see, it's hurting my eyes. Well, you can't see me, but like, whatever. It's just hurting my eyes.
It's not like it's the first time. But it's just got me freaked for some reason. I don't usually freak out at thunderstorms. In fact, I usually watch it pretty good. Yeah, there's some big bolts. Now that is so that big two big bolts almost side by side of our sub and east of the city. They're like they're beyond Blood Hill there, way off in the
Shoal?
alley, you know.
Oh, yeah.
Or towards the highway going straight east, you know, after you just
That one just light up the yard.
I'm pretty sure that caught the top of the and it lit up the just like on the tower across the street. I thought that's where it caught. We storm I do not like you. That one was way off towards Walmart. So this is
I'm okay now that it's not right over the trailer.
Yeah.
there's so many great big thick bolts that are just coming right down to the ground.
Where they hit.
There's lots of them coming down along the river, but that's normal. Whether to go back and get my measure or something here, I don't know which is worse. Thunder just seems to be constantly roaring. It's not even stopping. It's just a steady roar.
It's pretty much, the thunder's pretty much stopped here.
Yeah,
It's just roaring here. The wind is blowing really.
that one was bright.
It was right smack over my head.
At least I got it on camera.
The sky is orange.
Really?
Well, that's what they said before,
Notice
yeah.
that?
I don't
Sky
see.
is orange.
It's more of a dark gray.